But yeah, nah, that's not a bad buy. It's not a bad buy at all.
Yeah, this type straight right here. Yeah, that's in clean condition. Oh shit.
It's clean.
Yeah. This is exactly what you would want right here. I ain't gonna lie. This is exactly what you would want.
Nigga, you better. Hold on, what's that?
They decent. They decent. This one's hard, yeah. It's hard.
I don't know, it's not a Hellcat. I mean, a fucking. Yes, it is.
He said a Hellcat. Where?
Not a Hellcat. Oh, this is an SRT. I knew it.
Oh yeah. Nah. Wait, hold on. Let me see. Oh yeah, with the tires. Yeah. SOT on here. 100%. What's this going for? Yeah, he gonna put the little track hawk wheels on it. I see you.
2015. Hey, baby.
What's the price?
No, I'm over here checking out cars. Nah, you good. What's wrong? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm just looking.
This shit hard, yeah. I love the color too, man. This shit. And they got the carbon hood. What y'all be doing to y'all whips, man? Damn. What's this going for? It's a big body. I know, right? They don't care, bro. You know they don't care. Look at this shit. Yeah, it's done.
Oh, this is an S550.
Yeah, it's big body.
God, don't even got no stick on it.
Damn. I know that shit.
Yeah, this shit big.
Right.
Big boy.
If you could put the money in on this shit, you a good money.
Yeah, all you gotta do is get that
clean.
detail, get the back suspension.
Right. It's gonna
That's
cost
what's
you.
gonna kill you.